Hi, Mike Kennedy with you. I'm going to talk just a few minutes about the battery for this phone. This is the LG 442BG. Okay, and evidently there was an LG 440 series. Sometimes there's little variations in the model number, but these phones are really nice for people that don't have data plans, who are just going for something to call with. I had a phone that was not a flip phone, and what I found is it would call 911 a lot when it was in my pocket. So our local police department said I better get a new phone. So I did, and I've had several of these. I've broken them before, and one of the things I've noticed is the batteries. I think the batteries last about 2 years to me, and then they start having problems. So how are we going to find a new battery? We call some of our local places, we look online, and basically I found that the battery for this, which I eventually ended up ordering it online, a little battery here, people are selling them anywhere from $5 online to locally for $45. And see, the phone, when I originally bought this phone, it was only $10. Then I bought it, the replacement for it, and I'm not sure if I've done that once or twice, but it was $20. So it really doesn't make sense paying $45 to, unless it's time to just get another phone. So anyway, looking online, different places, what you should do is look at the reviews that people leave. Now, virtually any site has reviews, and what I'm looking for here on this particular thing, I wanted something to actually come within a few days, because the battery was basically only lasting for a day. So I was looking for a quick shipping time, but also I tried to look for ratings. The ones I found for $5, there were some complaints that people got them and the batteries just didn't even work. And on those same ones, there were ones that said they were excellent. So, I mean, a lot of times I think people have a product, and they have a bunch of them, and the question is, are they all good or some bad? I don't know. So I went with one. I ended up with the 1290 5, including shipping. It was supposed to come in 3 days. It came in, I think, 2 actually. And the name of the company is Puppy's Deals. That's what it says, but then it's actually Techsprit. If I put that up there, I don't know if you can see that. I'll spell it Techspres. And they're in Brooklyn, New York, although this came in this envelope from a fulfillment center. Oh, it is in Brooklyn, New York. Okay, the same address. Yep. So now, of course, this battery was probably originally made in China. Made in China. Yep. But these were ones that were, at least a warehouse in the U.S., so you could get them quicker. A lot of times I've ordered things, and a lot of times you can get things like directly from China, but there'll be quite a long shipping time. So this has worked out real good. This is my old battery, actually. I've got the new battery in here, having no problems with it. So you can always look around, and it always seems like when you're looking at things, there'll be one person with a really high price and then other people with normal prices, and I think you got to really look around and check and see what is available. Now, if I had gone and got the $45 battery, would it have lasted longer than this one? I can't say that, but I mean, this is exactly the same battery made by the same company. So, but where it isn't in, standard packaging, one could wonder whether it would be for someone to sell takeouts or used batteries or whatever. But this was said it was new, but they noted that the packing, it wouldn't be in new packaging. I think a lot of these small items, they get without the original packing, or they strip the packing off of them just to make them cheaper to ship. So there you go, a battery for the LG flip phone, which is a really good phone if you just have, you just want to be making calls. You wouldn't want to be trying to go on the internet with this. No, that wouldn't work very well. Although you can, technically, but I wouldn't suggest it. Mike Kennedy, bye.